Bengali and Kutti Blue Whale, what to torture and to try to make people's body making paralyzed, heavy, tired, discomfort, inability to move in fear of losing heart attacks or something happen, need some I-like person spiritually to make fit to move. Sometimes, so these people, with the unruly, haughty, naughty, criminal host, cowardice, Bengali, youth, Sudis Nandan Sudumarani, Jano, that simple, one single boy or youth is doing it is the end of this type of crime and art tilting, destroying, power enjoy. These Sudumarani Bachches, at least 5 to 6,000 people taking help with so massive structure to use to block me, to torture me, and then digitally capturing in this way that the movement and attitude expression, he has that every right to do wrong. Even he killing millions, his system and this his parents will be near out as a matter. Their parents means love convoys of the mother group or almost related that system of greater family sisters. So brothers like that cousins, तो चुदिर बच्चा मातुल और पेरेंट्स में डिफरेंस करना मुश्किल है और उतना 5,500 to 600 चुदिर नंबर है. They also feel at their age of 70 to 80 as if they do above 85 to 90, 79 as if they are aired, their particular own ad they are doing this thing about a Odatta or Darpa Dambha. So these criminals, even they cannot imagine such system, how they can get and gifted will be by God. For what reason, that may not know that. But I, as disciple and reading of Puran, Shastra, epics repeatedly, and particularly helped me this Gita Govinda, Joydev. He is really famous for that reason probably. His Gita Govindam. That what the demons, actually that God write this program when the people have less faith on gods and deities, supervisionally celestial power, invisible powers. And if the people ask me, somebody of those people are asking that Delhi Duradarshan scientific group will not believe your complaint. They are protesting your. I see if it is that which science explanation of digital theories and other light wave management, which are all invisible waves, handling and digital system mechanism of action, AI, is those visible? How you are Chudir Bacha to believe that is possible? That though something is there who you cannot see or feel. So they, what you are able to record with your machine, the past history of life to show to your baby. Chudir Bacha, we are Bacha, your 5 years, 6 years boys, You can show one people, living people is past or dead people's past life with your machine, that when Sage rishis are claiming those facts of seeing this Ram, Lord, Krishna, Buddha, etc., other superiors, many rishis live recording what Lord does best to recover those things as a top intelligence in the world at all times, who write recovering from the oceans of the vision since dawn of university. He is human and billions of years past history. And you, Chudir Bacha, as a idiot, खंकी, criminal, तू एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड के लेबर देने के लायक नहीं है। तेरा एड में तुम गरजा रहे हो मिट्टी के नीचे से, तुम्हारा जिसने कामार के बच्चा के जैसे वो दुगोल सड़ा उछिंकल में भी 240 naughty अमित दे फलक दे एक्सेट्रा डॉक्टर्स और सरकार Chudir Nandan and Dugals, Sisir, Amit Dugal, Midur Dugulka, Badal, Turjoy, Tukhoi, etc. Chudmarani, Sutto, Sujoy, Turjoy, Orjoy, Durjoy. You are not just fit for any work. You are just Achal Paisa in the world. You are first anti-social, anti-nationalist, anti-humanist, anti-religious. Host, criminal, impostor, liar, cheater, cowards, motherfuckers, sisterfuckers, daughters, maligner, torturer, and they are earning wealth you have enjoyed. Whole life you have not done anything on your own. You see them. Ask even your parents and also grandparents, Sudhir Bacha. Except looting what you have done, personally do this knowledge. What good things you have done. Sudhir Bacha, जो मागी साड़ी पहनता है, how you can imagine that within second she will go to deep sea, Pacific Oceans or Atlantic Oceans and come up without fear. And people, you are a scientist, you are showing that these peoples have entered deep trench, mariner trench in this. But your peoples, if it is 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, but if it is 3 kilometers, that is so less. Sudhir Bacha, of which countries, of which facilities, and of many scientists, discovery biologists, physiologists, physics, digital systems, science, etc., technologies, mobiles, automobiles, technology knowledge as there ever in such ship, submersible ship and pouch, and mega million horsepower systems you are misusing per second, of which countries funding, oils, money, you are misusing for what purpose, idiot? Have you paid oil to Mexico, Colombia, Venezuela, etc. countries, threatening the leadership? You have kept one dictatorship, those dictators to provide your oil, Sudhir Bacha, and to mislead Bobby Jindal, etc. The ex-left O's oil refinery, where you have kidnapped people to do chudur budur and given life threat. If they do rebel, Just you have trade unionist, your father, mother. আমাদের দাবি মানতে হবে, আমাদের দাবি এঁড়ের দাবি মানতে হবে, এঁড়ের দাবি মানতে হবে, ভেঙে দাও গুড়িয়ে দাও, जो शुभ उसको तोड़ दो, जो अशुभ अतीब घोर अमंगलकारी उसके लिए तुम तैयार हो। चुदमारनी चुदिर बच्चा बंगाली नक्सलिस्ट कल्पिट क्रिमिनल कुत्तेर बच्चा, what kind of gully inverst चुदमारानी শুয়োরের বাচ্চা হারামজাদি খানকি কুত্তি নেংটি চোদমারানি বর্বর খচ্চর মাগি, খচ্চর মাগি, ইউ আর কিলিং magis, you are inspiring, instigating and poisoning your babies। औद्धत्य बढ़ा रहा है चोदमारानी with nipple of your breast and that clitoris। चोदमारानी what you are science you are teaching me? चोदमारानी শুয়োরের বেটি, it is I am just like your baby। this one not অনির্বাণ চুদিরবান চুদমারানি কাওয়ার নীলাদ্রি চুদমারানি চুদির ধন क्या गोविंद चुदमारानी के दिव्येन्दु चुदिर बच्चा चुदमारानी अति सिंह कामिनी कुत्ते मोनिश साला जैसे शुअर राक्षस का चेहरा कावाड़िस और उसका बेटा चुदमारानी चुदिर बच्चा सिस्टर फाकर daughter Fakar enjoyer। IIT, do you think you have your head is doing, your mother vagina good is doing? শুয়োরের বাচ্চা ল্যাংটা চুদমারানির ধন। You cannot understand the life of others, you have killed so many। if I am asking to give your identity, to express your identity, and in the chudir bachcha in Indian old world to come out to compete with me, debate in such matter, you are locking my digital system, idiots। I am asking Delhi New Day, प्रसार भारती, जावेद प्रकाश जावेदकर चुदिर बच्चा, where is Rajyavardhan, where is Priyanka Chopra, where is Madhu Chopra, where those idiots all IAS IPS X who चुदिर बच्चा left India for what good reason of the IAS people? And what are doing the economists of Indians and our bloody bastard technologists or scientists, whatever in USA? What good thing you have developed? One is your own without taking the help of the white people। What you have done? Who left India with passports, और जो चुदिर बच्चा दिल्ली दूरदर्शन में जो मागिस लोग अभी सिटिंग कर रहे सुप्रिया साउथ है और जो भी हो डीडीजी चुदमारानी खान के में चूड़े मुठी धरे जोनी से तुम्हारा सारा अंश निकाल देंगे ना, आँख तोड़ देंगे, जूहा निकाल देंगे। जी मुख से भाषण करते हो, एडवाइस उल्टा सीधा करते हो, विच क्राफ्ट करते हो, इम्पोस्टर लॉयर चीटिंग टॉर्चर सिखाते हो, चुदमारानी मिसलीड करते हो, उसको टांग निकाल लेंगे, पेनिस उपाड़ लेंगे। योर पेनिस, यस मिस्टर पेनिस, पौन काट लेंगे, ब्रेस्ट काट लेंगे। फॉर व्हाट क्राइम, फॉर व्हाट रीजन? When I to talk about the demons and also Satan mentalities to teach, there is no need of any people's permission in the world। As per Indians incarnative laws, and the time God has to come, except humans of rishis of top level cannot understand their power enjoy it. That is also programmed by Creator Lord Brahma or etc. When you deny, denigrate that Lord or deity categories to get cars, when you ignore, blame again that these people are not doing anything but eating or as if your produce Sudir Bacha. What you have told your forefathers to blame Indian rishis, sages, Indian cult and religious. Now you have gone as a Naxalist monarch, মনোরঞ্জন খাড়া চুদমারানির বাচ্চা তোমার এই যে এড়গুলো অঞ্জু মঞ্জু সঞ্জু ভালগার চুদমারানি খানকি অসুর ন্যাংটি অসুর চুতলা দ্বিতলা চুতলা গোগেন্দু গোবিন্দু চুদমারানি চুরির বাচ্চা থেকেন্দু স্বরের বাচ্চা সনক সন্তরণ সঞ্জীব এটসেট্রা হোয়াট আর ডুইং গঙ্গাধর চুদমারানি চুদুধর মুরলীধরন চুদুধরন মাধবন চুদুর বাচ্চা আলাপন হোয়াট টু ডু and this Gogendu, Goga, চুদির বাচ্চা ত্রাইস দেহগার চিত্ত চুদির বাচ্চা শালা চুদমারানি ঘোষ of কংস বংশ of বাজুয়া রঘুবাটি. I have taken those name Mamata Banerjee repeatedly of Ratanpur culprit, জিন ভূত বিদ্যুৎ প্রদ্যোৎ চুদির বাচ্চা শুভঙ্কর হাজরা কুমুর শেখ গঘাট গঘাট গঘাট. This region's criminals, most of the kinghood zamindar were influenced were there to destroy by the attitudinist, impostor, vulgar, prostitute cult and dacoiting remaining Jaipur, Sals, Banas areas, Ramjivanpur, etc., where their Laghu Bangsho related Sal bonds forest. You to hide there and loot and do crime. All the Jamidar families, Manis and Vedas cult of the ancient Indian cult, unless this Borgis, Kailas Borgis forefathers group from Indore to destroy this type of Allahabad times before that, to destroy Mallabhum Raj Parampara Vishnupur cult. Then Bhadawan cult is developed. But mainly this is a Vishnupur. Later on Kashipur, the people developed their kingdoms. Originally they are from Chandrakona Godbeta region to Vishnupur was a Raghu dynasty Mallabhum. So you people are to severely torture me in this animal innocence. They can see your barbarism as a veterinarians, what kind of and what means feel to kill these babies of 15 days, 1 month, 2 months. For what animosity, what heroism to show, what intelligence you want to see, what Sharmila Bhattacharya Maghi Presidency College of Calcutta University or Jadavpur biology to do to nerves or neurology, what you want to teach me, as I am veterinary, I am the top neurologist also. I was in my student life best of the best physiologist, best of the best reproductive scientist, best of the best geneticists, best of the best microbiologist, best of the best radiologist, best of the best what you want to the animal husbandry, management related thing, even nutrition. Best of the best every area's medicine if you ask me. Who can read and best of the best pathologist in that field, histologist, cell biologist. You are मेरे साथ चालाकी कर रहा है. और my main area is virology. Supportive is bacteriology, microbiology. I'm junior fellowship holder in India. Within 5, I am the second of those because our institute was poor. There was not books, and the professor had no exposure about the GRF questions, and there was no questions even our university. So you people, with what hardship from my beginning, I have not written a religious book my home, not one to get purchase books of papers to do onco or to read books whatever I want. In that hardship with working my fathers in fields agriculture, you have seen with Ronton and its cycle. But you have seen my loneliness and again to remain with people, to avoid the bogwash, to avoid that anarchism, to avoid any kind of torture to anyone with mind, speech, or body. You have studied my whole past in such a good manner. You able one person in the world, in the top manner, his per second thought and think with your message, that you have proved that whole world, at least your associates, तब भी तुम चुदुर बुदुर कर रहे हो और caliber calibrate. You are attacking as remaining my co-classmate or university mate or press or this university student or locality in the same environment, same foods, race, mental, cult, culture, Hindu. You are doing such type of prudence showing as if you are doing with your hand. जो एड लेता नो एड खड़ा नहीं होता है क्लिवोलिंगो चुदीर बच्चा जिस तरह का चुदुर बुदुर का काम करते हो यू आर नॉट सीन हीरोइज्म व्हाट काइंड ऑफ हीरोइज्म यू आर शोइंग टू मी एंड माय गुरुदेव वी वेंट टू ब्लेम ऋषि अरविंद और others to mislead Swami Vivekananda, to mislead the Indian Hindus, not knowing really as natures of other peoples are roles playing, future study and past study. To whom to be give this ruling charge of India? These culprit criminals who are today were taking, enjoying power in politics, judicial system or institute as a head, who should not get entry into these university, law institutes, parliaments, doctors, to read doctors as a host impostor, lacking of integrity, cannot enter into the medical science or veterinary science. You cannot inject without asking God His mercy. Unknowingly doing, if it is anything wrong with this system, that it is not I am doing with my full sense because I have not you like full knowledge to see and learn the consequences. But with sense I am not doing anything wrong. A revered Vishnu are you prescribe to right and we are to right. Even although it all not details taught in veterinary in Vidhan Chandra because that is a shifting state and political turmoil state where education was not possible to give and the people of this staff was not sufficient enough to learn and to teach all those things what today I have learned. You do not even differentiate cow or what is goat. And if you while memorizing learning that this is cow, this is goat, that is not was enough even today to explain. If I ask which is cow and which is goat, you will be unable to answer. Sudir bachcha sudir budur kar raha hai. What kind of knowledge, even if you are seeing this remaining, all the bad death story you have can now visualize. सुधीर बच्चा वो जो ओम तैयार किया है सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम दिल्ली दूरदर्शन उसमें क्या दिखाया गया है which famous radiologist radio wave expert of Calcutta University living time real scientism and Indian how the low pressure etc gamete etc om has been created that you do not know Sudhir Bachcha. You have an Harishchandra movie you are quoted, Delhi Doordarshan. Have you not seen this? Sudhu Maharani, Sudhir Bachcha. Idiots, Javed Shwarer Bachcha, you are asking Gotra to Mamata Banerjee. You are right enough. You are liar, imposter. You have not faced legally me. As a Ram Bhakta, Do you think any great Ram Bhakta and Ram Lord's history knower in the world than me, or discovered his modern history of Lord Ram and Raghuvansha, etc.? Is anyone before me than told you? Even you do not know Hindu word origins. Aryabhatta, Arya, Surya Vansha, Chandra Vansha, why this need? And what places will be called that Mahajati Sadhans of Indian cult, Hindu cult or Aryabhatta cult, but you are with modern Christianity cult, you are Jati Sadhan. It is not a Sadhan. Hindu Sanskriti, Sabha Sanskriti Mahajati Sadhan is Vishnu Purvan. Magad Rajagriha is 2, Ajodhya is 3, Kasi 4, Savasti Gorakhpur is 5th, Lucknow is 6th, Naimisharana 7th, Mathura 8th, Vidisha, Bhopal or Indore or Ujjain. Our surrounding areas, places, Sipuri, whatever may be, that is of Shatrugna's 2 sons, that Subhahu and Satyadhatu. Bengal is totally under, Eastern India under Lord Lakshman, 2 sons, Angad, on his name Anga, and his Chandra Mallaketu, is Mallabhum, Vishnu is Mallabhumi, whole Bankura and part of Chandrakona subdivision, Jhargram, etc. is coming in this. And to go Tamluk to Hijli to present time Gangasagar. Gangasagar at that time was not habituated to be used by these peoples with such a smart and rivers. Somewhere there is no land to remain. Better you to get deep in the Ghatal to Arambagh region, Jala areas to remain water of the sea's lowland, where Kopil Muni, that Ramjimanpur area, slow area, Thakurhati, etc. to Tarahat, Kamarpukur, Anud region, Bengal. Bengal is related Gokhat Bengal. Bengal. Who can do Bengal with intelligence of world? Any people's civilization. Their honesty, uprightness, their intelligence, their rigidness to fix to truth, their simple life living, their sacrificing attitude, they too can do Bengal anybody. But you people, what world now is doing Bengal, you as a Bengali, Chudi Bacha, Chudamarani Nanda. I have come in your village. I have not come in your village, Bajua, my maternal uncle, said a Kongso, Jasodananda to King Kongso, King Shok, Mahit, Jaban Chudir Nandan Manojit, Abhijit Chudir Bacha, Amit, Dato Gare Alak Chudir Bacha. তোর বড় বাপ তোর নানার বিটি উপস্থ খুললেঙ্গে মৃদুল যুগল জীবন চুদির বাচ্চা অমিত সিং চুদির বাচ্চা জুজুর সুশান্ত বড় সুশান্ত কুমার তুমি চুদির বাচ্চা সুশোভন নাম রেখেছ সারে সালা অশোভন করতে অপবর্গ অমর্ত চুদির বাচ্চা আমিও কি তুমি মিও চুদমারানি শালা বিড়াল হত্যা করে চুদমারানি তুমি মিও করতে হো শালা খানকির বাচ্চা দিলখুশ চুদমারানির বাচ্চারা as a Hindu boy to kill cow, how great cow you can understand the veterinarian. Now you have learned what I have searching each and every Puran and Samhita. I made a library in this Mulluk. Whatever my difficulties to go Calcutta personally to find those best books, you have not allowed me 35 years. You have taken my back. This unlike I am not God sent that particular powers. You identified past me as a young babe boy, my 10, 15 years age, you are following me to destroy my intelligence. I was the best of the best, and nobody is my parallel what to think about my thinking, what I am thinking. In which direction of that age? सुधीर बच्चा किस किस को मैंने उसको रूलिंग करता था. Do not do, avoid do's do, be good, do good. Remain rigid, do not speak impostor, cheating lies, do not do vulgarism. But there was no teachers. Even my whole family, my fathers were orphaned at their age of 10, 5 and 2.5 years of age. My younger uncles also were that. Only mothers, grandmothers, 2 grandmothers with their cult, family cult and our Raikulin cult. They worship to Lord Vishnu and sing Bhavani as they are to remain in Vaishnava, Shiva gone to give worship Lord Vishnu and Ma Singh Bhavani. Rajradeshwar was their Shiva. Ma Durga Satarupa Rupini. This place ko I have only indicated this ancient place. Shiva is ancient place, Godmother is ancient place. Mine area is ancient place. That Surango tunnel was present during Didan time to come out from their capital, Vishnupur and Chandrakona or Godmother. That Singh Savla to that Rajvallabhati, then to raise that Rajpur, Sanatpur area, and then to Singapore, then to Malaysia, to the Indonesia, Hindu Logon ka Asia, Indonesia, Malla Logon ka Asia created. It is a Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kuo mane Patal Rampur, Sargo Rampur, Pakistan, and Madhya Rampur, Bengal, Eastern India, etc. Done. कोई आया काम करेगा.